Hello guys, and today's video we will be making a drone. For a drone we need a frame. So here we have a 450 frame, and here you can see this is the bottom plate, this is the top plate, and these are the arms. So what will we be doing is that this will be the bottom plate, so the arms will be fitted over it like this. Okay, and on the top of this will be fitting this top plate. Okay, so for this project you need this 450 frame or whatever frame you like, but the calculations and the motor calculations and the propeller calculations, according to our calculations, we need this 450 frame. We need these motors. We are using 2212 920 kV motors. So these are DJI motors. We'll be using 4 motors. We are using these ESCs E300 for the DJI motors. Some screws for this frame. It comes with the frame. This is optional. These are the landing gears for the frame for the drone. So if you want to use it, so you can use. If you don't want, so these are optional. And according to our calculations, we are using a 3000 mAh battery. So it is a 4S battery, and we will be using this for our drone. We are using here a Pixhawk 2.4.8 flight controller, and this is its anti-vibration plate. We will be using a GPS module. So here's the GPS module, and inside it we have a GPS and its stand. Apart from this, we will be using a power module and a buzzer and switch for the Pixhawk. So this is the buzzer and this is switch for the Pixhawk. Okay. And if you want to use a transmitter, so we can use a radio transmitter and receiver. So we are actually making it with Wi-Fi. So in the next part of the video, we will show you how to use the Node MCU as our Wi-Fi telemetry module. So first we'll be assembling our frame. So before that, we'll be connecting this power module to this power distribution plate here, and I have already connected the ESCs to this plate. So here in the ESC we have 2 wires, the red one and the black one. The black one is for the negative and the red one is for the positive, right? So we will connect our 4 ESCs first to this plate, which I have already done, and second we will be connecting this power module to this plate. And the power module, one thing is important, that is here we have an arrow over here which will not be visible to you, but this is the arrow over here. So the wire to which the arrow is pointing will be connecting to this plate, the bottom plate of the drone, right? So here this is the arrow and it is pointing to this direction, so I'll be connecting this direction to the bottom plate of the drone. So we have a soldering iron over here, and the red one is the positive and the black one is the negative. So let's solder it. So I have soldered the power module to this bottom plate, and now we will be using our landing gears. So here I have these landing gears. Let's open it. So landing gears has its own screws for this, so they are a little bit longer to catch this one, this, and the legs of the drone. So first we'll be doing something like this. Okay, so like this, and we'll be using the screws which comes with the landing gears to connect all these. So let's start. And for this you will need an L key to connect them. Okay, so one leg and one arm is connected, and one more important thing, that white two white will come in the one direction and the red will come in the other direction, because it shows us the direction of the drone. Like this is the forward direction, and where the red arms will be connected will be the back of the drone, right? Yeah. So let's connect all the legs and the arms to the bottom plate, and then I'll meet you. Okay, so we have assembled this. We have connected this with this plate and the legs. So now we will be placing this top plate over these, and we will be using these screws to connect them. So here I have the screws. It comes with this frame, so you don't need to worry about this. Okay, so that's So now we will use the L key to tight all the nuts, and then I'll show you. So we have assembled the frame for the drone. As you can see, this is our power module, and these legs and these arms, and this is the bottom module.